Hi there, Chris here. Welcome to another edition of Stock Lock Sunday. I have this Yale Padlock here, and this is the bidding. It came zero bidded, and what this padlock would be ordered by a locksmith. This is made in American Yale. There's ones that were made in England that actually Dawes ever sent me a really cool one that's made very similar to this, but it's made in England. It has a different keyway. This is the GA keyway, and I interrupted myself, but I'll show you how this works. It works great. But if you were a locksmith, you could order them this way. And as you can see, the little pins have not been driven all the way and filed off. So that allows you to disassemble it, and because it is zero bidded, you could then say if the customer had a Yale lock on their door and they wanted the same bidding on their front door as their storage shed padlock, then you could set them up. So I'm going to try and pick this, and then I have something else to show you. But first we'll try and pick this. So let's see, get around here. I'm going to use top of the keyway tension with this Mad Bob tensioner, and it is the, which one, 0.8 millimeter. Actually, I could probably go bigger. This is the one that I've covered up. I think this is the 1 millimeter. And then they have a 1.2. I think this will work. So I use medium tension, I guess. It's been a while since I picked this, but we'll see. Boy, sorry about the light. I'll move my hand back here. If I'd quit screwing around with locks and fix my chandelier, then this would go better. But I can't seem to put the locks down. But I'm not getting too far, so I'm going to lighten up my tension a little bit and see if I can get a better feel. And I think, if I remember correctly, this has some mushroom pins in it. It seems to be beating me at this point. Let's see. I'm going to do some raking, see if I can speed this up a little bit. Or rocking. Mucking about is what I'm doing with this rake. This Bogota-ish rake from Sparrows. Somebody in the back, I think. Come on, this is not the Bears Back Challenge one. My hat is off to Squint, Jason, Carlson, and the latest one was AJ. Pop that sucker, and that is a tough, tough lock. I think I have that right. I think Bill Bacardi had a go at it. Cherokee had a go at it. I can't remember who else had a go at it. Oh, William Mansell. Great, great challenge lock going around. Huh, not getting it. And remember, this is zero bitted. So, I mean, it shouldn't be that tough, huh? Because they're all the same. Let's just get them all the same. I'm going to try side saddle here. That may make a difference. And maybe try and feel what the hell I'm doing or trying to do here. And there we go, we have an open. So that was kind of a fight. And what I wanted to show you about this is, I'll show you the super pin tumbler. That's the keyway. These are the little studs that have not been, you know, finished off. Uh-oh, no Suki, not time for you. But what came with this lock, there were two of them. What came with it, which is very, very interesting, is this original tear sheet for ordering all of the parts. And it's very cool because it shows exactly all these different parts and part numbers and how to take this thing apart. And of course you would rekey, or I mean, yeah, you'd cut a key and pin it to that key for the customer, and all these cool little parts. And it's possible to take these apart. It is a challenge, let me tell you. Murloc knows about that, and I'm sure Bearsback knows about that. And also William Mansell. So this was from the original Yale Town Manufacturing Company, Hardware Division, White Plains, New York. So it shows the replacement for the 830, 840, 850, and 870 padlocks. And if you turn it over, you have the 77 series. 77, can we see that? 77.1, 77.3, 77.4, 77.5. And we've seen William Mansell do some of these, I remember, because it has this funny little, you know, a whole plate that covers all this. Very, very cool that I have this. And if you do take one of these apart, you want to take your Sharpie and show mark exactly where these pieces go, because this is really the toughest part, getting this all together, back together, and in with the core in it. So there's a lot of screwing around that has to happen, and a lot of pitfalls that you can fall into. So anyway, I thought that was interesting to show that for your the Stock Lock Sunday and this cool old document. They talk about 5 pins and 6 pins, and it was very cool. When I bought the 2 padlocks on eBay, I was so excited about finding them. I don't even remember seeing this, and when I got it, when it came, this was in the package, and I was kind of blown away. So there you go, another Stock Lock Sunday. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment, ask questions, hit the like, the subscribe, whatever. Anyway, we will see you next time.